morning, tubers. How you doing? This is Vince, Chico, Paula, Paula Poo, and everybody else associated with my channel. Hello, we're back. Yes, we're back. We went away for the weekend, pero Vince, B-I-N-T-Z, V-B-B, not B like B like after you, UBW, okay? BINTC, uh, we're back. Oh, I was looking at this community. What is up with this community? I swear to God. You never know if it's a man or a woman or a straight man, a gay man, a child. You let little children on these channels. There's some pornography going on around here, and there's some people that are talking like profanity, and you have children 13 years they could click on this and watch all this. I mean, for Christ's sake, there's a in the rap section. I was in the rap section. I like rap, every once in a while. I was looking. Oh my goodness. There's a song called Beautiful Pussy or Pretty Pussy. Everybody can click this and listen to this. This record is vulgar. It is so vulgar. Your pretty pussy, I spread it with my tongue and quiere pere 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 puri puri poo. It's disgusting. Can make a little girl blush. Anyways, I don't think these children should have access to this. And I know they do because I was not signed in when I found it. I was not signed into my account. So it's not like you need to be signed into the account. You have a link. You don't have to sign in. You don't have to show your ID. Nothing. Prove your age. Nothing. Just pussy, pussy, pussy. Pretty little pussy. It's disgusting. I mean, the person pile of shit. You ask me. But he's a rapper. I never heard of him. So he's so big. I never heard of him. His name is Pile. I swear to God, Pile. So we know where his name came from. Pero pretty pussy. I have not heard that comment for years. Years and years. I was young. I was a young little girl when I heard it last from one of my uncles. Okay? But they can listen to this too. I had this one hater. Remember, I did a video. I was telling him, you little bitch, and this and that. I went to his site. He's like a 13-year-old boy. I was like, oh my goodness. 13-year-old boys shouldn't even be listening to my tapes. That's not how I want to be listening to my tapes. And of course you hated it, you 13-year-old prick. It wasn't made for you. You're supposed to be looking at Marvel Comics or something like that. Not to my explicit videos, my sexually explicit videos. No. Anyways, we're back. We're trying to. Can you see my bags? Oh, look at me. I look so horrible. I don't look pretty. But vacation is not easy. Okay, it's not easy. It's hard, especially when you have so much to do and so many fans. I tell everybody, oh, I'm so big on the YouTube circuit. Oh yeah, I'm big on the YouTube circuit. You don't know my name. Alicia Keys. She sing that song. You don't know my name. Anyway, okay, you need to be careful on who you respond to, and who you take it personal to, because there's every age on this YouTube. It's not good. You should have adult content separate and rated, so this way they have no access to it, because Right now they're able to do pretty pussy and lactating vagina and read everything, look at everything. Okay, and the YouTubers can get pretty graphic. You should see some of the videos I used to make. Very graphic, very graphic, erotically stimulating, pero very graphic. Anyways, enough playing. Just be careful who you respond to, who you subscribe to, because there's children out there. I didn't think this. Fíjate nomás, eh? Okay, tubers. Ciao.